Magazine. A type of thin book with a paper cover that contains news stories, articles, photographs, or advertisements, usually published weekly or monthly. She read an article about gardening in a magazine. He collects old car magazines. The magazine on the table is full of celebrity news. She subscribes to a fashion magazine. The library has a section for magazines and newspapers.